In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Google Meet in advance. If you're looking to streamline your meetings and ensure that everything is organized well ahead of time, then this guide will show you just how easy it is to set up a Google Meet using your Google account. To start, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Meet. You can do this by navigating to meet.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use for scheduling your meeting. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you'll see a button labeled New Meeting. Click on that and you'll be presented with a few different options for creating your meeting. For scheduling a meeting in advance, select the option that says Schedule in Google Calendar. This is what allows you to organize and plan out the meeting time and invite all the necessary participants. By selecting this option, you'll be redirected to Google Calendar, where you can set up the full details of your meeting. Once in Google Calendar, take a look in the top left corner and click Create. This button will enable you to start a new event. Now, in the event setup page, you want to make sure you fill in the key details, enter a meeting title, choose the date and time, and input any additional information participants might need. Whether it's an agenda or simple notes, the details section can be very useful. Be sure to also click on Event to make sure you're in the right mode for setting up a scheduled meeting. When you're in the event details, you'll want to ensure the Google Meet video conferencing option is active. This will be automatically enabled when you're setting up a meeting like this, allowing you to generate a Meet link that participants can use to join. You can invite people by typing their email addresses into the Add Guests section. Make sure you include everyone who needs to be in on the call. Invitations will automatically be sent out to their addresses, complete with the joining link and time details. If there are any documents or attachments that should accompany the meeting, perhaps an agenda or pre-meeting notes, you can add those here under Attachments. Before wrapping things up, double check the details one more time, ensure the date, time and time zone are all correct, and that everyone who needs to be in the know is included. When everything looks good, hit save, and if prompted, send invitations. You now have a Google Meet scheduled in advance, allowing you and your participants to be prepared, and notifications to be dispatched automatically. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you plan your meetings with ease.